Greetings fellow Linux users. In this video I'm going to show you how to get Japanese input for your Pop OS, because when I tried setting it up it worked, but I had to start it manually every time I rebooted, which was annoying. So I spent a couple of hours, probably like 5, trying to figure out how to auto start it. And I guess if you're a Linux veteran, like if you know how Linux works, this is going to be easy for you, but I'm not, so I couldn't find a specific guide and I was lost for hours. So here it is. So yeah, I'm not going to waste half an hour of your time on this because it's actually quite simple. So I'll just do the important stuff first. Everything you need is on the screen right now, right? To get Japanese input on Linux, you need an input method editor. And the go-to seems to be Fcitx 5 at the moment. So just go to the Pop OS shop, search for Fcitx, you will find it, then you just install it. That's a one button click. And then to get Japanese, you will also need Mozc, which is the Japanese input method. So you install that as well. I mean, already at that point you can use it, but it's not going to start automatically. So what I did was that I made this file in the Autostart folder. It's quite obvious when you see it, right? In your user's home folder, right? If I go to properties, you can see in my case that is /home/torbjörn/.config/autostart. You might have to create this Autostart folder because it may not exist. And the .config folder is hidden. So I'll just go back here really quickly. You open the file explorer. It's probably going to look like this. So you go up here, show hidden files, find your .config. There might not be an Autostart folder. If there isn't, you create it. Then you put this file in here. The contents of this file is, as you can see in the background. You have a desktop entry, type application for Fcitx 5. And the important part is here. Right? Execute. When you log in, it's going to execute Fcitx 5 with a -dr, which means D for daemon, which means that it doesn't block the terminal, and R for not restart, but what was it? Recreate or something. Basically the same though. What it does is that it makes sure that there is only one instance, so there's no duplicates. And then, so far so great. I mean, ChatGPT was able to tell me this in like 5 minutes, but it didn't quite work because it was missing this part. --enable space Mozc. And this basically forces the program to load the Japanese plugin, which was the missing piece for me. So when I set this up, it works perfectly. Right, so let's just go back here for a moment. Yeah, if you just want it to work, you can just do those, I guess, 1 to 3 steps. Step 1, install the stuff, as I said. Step 2, create the file in the folder. Step 3, add the contents to the file. I will put the contents of the file in the description, so you can just copy paste them. But if you go to, just for reference, if you go to the home page, here, there are some instructions, I mean, install is pretty easy. You can do it in various ways, but from Flatpak is one of the alternatives, right? Just click it in the store, and then setup. What you will find is that on Debian-based /Ubuntu, like Pop OS, it tells you to run the imconfig from the command line. it will pop up a menu like this. And then you select Fcitx 5 here and click OK, and it does some shenanigans in the background, creates some files, and you can do this. It didn't break anything for me, but it didn't really solve anything for me either. Still wouldn't start on reboot. And then there's also this one, the XDG Autostart, because in this folder, in user share applications, there is a desktop file, but they say you can move this to Autostart. But this desktop file does not include the Mozc parameter. So to me, this didn't do the trick. Maybe it works if you're not using Japanese input at all, but yeah, to me it didn't quite work. So I think that's it. Is there anything else I was going to rant about? Ah, yes. You have the configuration here, right? Yeah, what you want is you want your normal keyboard, the one you use to type English, and the Mozc here on the left side. It will show up here on the right side, so you can move it over if you need to. But the point about using the parameter back here, right, -- enable Mozc, is that it will automatically show up on the left side. Because when I was running this without this enable parameter, it would kind of reset every time I rebooted, so I had to go into the configuration and then move it over every single time, which is annoying. But yeah, we made it work in the end, so now I can type Japanese. I don't know. What are we going to type? This is English, by the way, in case you didn't notice. Oh. Nice of it to bug out when I'm 日本語です。びっくりマーク. Like this. Works perfectly. Excellent, eh? Right. So yeah, that's all. I hope it was useful. I hope I saved you 5 hours. I guess if you liked the video, you can press like, so that I know. And if you think I'm, I don't know, handsome or funny or whatever, you can even subscribe. But it's up to you. So that's going to be it for today. And have a good one. Enjoy your Linux.